Saturday morning, y'all. My favorite day of the week. Y'all know this. I love Saturdays, especially pretty Saturdays. And today is gonna be a pretty one, it looks like. And it's warm, yes. It's warmer today than it has been the past few days, so we are happy. I'm gonna make the kids an orange roll monkey bread, but it is gonna have cinnamon too. So orange cinnamon roll monkey bread. What's with all these long names lately? I've been having long names. So we have 2 cans of the Pillsbury orange rolls. They also have these in the off-brand, but sometimes they're hard to find. What did I do with my coffee, Manly? Oh yeah, I sat right there. I thought it would be fun to make it in monkey bread form for them because they love monkey breads. So we're making a monkey bread orange sweet roll thing for breakfast, and I'm gonna make them a pizza monkey bread for lunch here in a little bit.
The juice was trying to fight me.
Trying to fight you?
Yeah, because it spit juice at me.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Those juice boxes will do that sometimes, huh?
They want to fight sometimes.
Yeah. It calls for mixing cinnamon and sugar together, but we've got some cinnamon sugar, so we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this in here. And we'll use that to roll our orange rolls in. I need to spray the bundt pan. I'm just using baking spray for this. Now we're gonna cut the orange rolls into 4 pieces, so each roll into 4 pieces. We'll set the orange icing to the side because we'll warm it up later and drizzle it over the top. Most of the time, Saturday mornings are the cleaning morning, unless we're going somewhere. There's something about waking up on Saturday mornings, smelling that Mama's been cleaning.
And also smelling that Mama's been cooking.
Right, also smelling Mama's been cooking. Okay, so now we just take our pieces and we're gonna roll it a little bit in the cinnamon sugar. And then we'll throw them over here into the bundt pan. So I've got the oven preheating at 350. When we get this in here, in there, it's just gonna bake for about 30 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna get some melted butter and mix with the rest of this cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna slice this orange and squeeze just a little bit of orange juice in here too. Just half of it. So we have 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. I'm gonna mix this together. And we'll just pour this over the orange rolls. And that's it. It's going in the oven for 30 minutes.
I'll be the sprayer and you will be the flapper. Because I see my handprint on that.
We're gonna warm up the orange icing and then pour it into this measuring cup so we can drizzle it over the top. Just takes about 15 seconds for each one. Wonderful. Pouring that butter part over the top gives the outside a crispy edge. It's great. let Roosty and the girls out early today since it's such a pretty day. This is a really light green one. Maybe it's trying to be a blue one. See, there's the regular greens. Yeah, that one is gonna be, it's kind of a bluish green. Alright, it's almost lunchtime. Now we'll make the pizza monkey bread. Okay, first we need to mix up our stuff in this little bowl. We need 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm just gonna eyeball that in here. Turn it this way so I can tell a little bit better. There we go. Okay, we need a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm just going to shake a few in there. There we go. Okay, we'll just whisk that all together. Instead of rolling the biscuit dough in this, we'll just pour it over and stir it around. So we're just going to take these 2 cans of biscuits. It's 2 cans of the jumbo flaky biscuits. We'll just, oh, that one's old school. I wasn't expecting that. It scared me. Let's see if this one is old school. Laura Lynn keeps them popping. Yep. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with these. Just cut them into 4s. And then I'll just break them up and throw them in this bowl. Now, before we put the olive oil on, we'll go ahead and get the pepperonis ready. I'm just going to cut these in half. You can leave them whole or cut them smaller. Maybe about 20 or so. Okay, so we're going to pour over the olive oil mixture onto the biscuits. Okay, we'll put in the pepperonis. Alright, and we're going to put 2 cups of shredded mozzarella. And 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Okay, so now we're going to spray the bundt pan. We're going to put half of the biscuit mixture in here. Okay, now we're going to put some pizza sauce. We're just going to pour some over this layer, just like that. And now we'll put the rest of the biscuit mix. And that's it. This is going in the oven for about 40 minutes.